Okay, I will also tell you about water bodies which are left. Rivers you've already done, but there are some more water bodies in the syllabus. Lake Vular. Lake Vular is located on River Jhelum. So nearby River Jhelum, little to the south of River Indus. If you make a dot anywhere here, if you make it here, here or here, that will be Lake Vular. Okay. Then this is River Mahanadi. Near River Mahanadi, you will find a bend at this place, that is Lake Chilika. Park Strait is a narrow stretch of water between India and Sri Lanka. If you see this shape of India, you will find that it looks like face of a man. This is forehead, this is nose, these are lips, this is chin. So near the nose is Park Strait. Strait is a stretch of water between two land masses. So the water between India and Sri Lanka, where we have closest point, is called as Park Strait. Remember the spelling Palk and not Pak, and strait is Strait, strait, not Straight. It's Park Strait. Strait is a water body between two land masses. Gulf of Mannar, where there is a chin of this face, the chin. Okay, the chin part is Gulf of Mannar. Gulf is a narrow crack of land where water seems to be penetrating inside. So this landmass is Gulf. Okay, so this is Gulf of Mannar where there is this water body. Fine. So don't confuse between Park Strait and Gulf of Mannar. Park Strait is a water body between this nose, and Gulf is this near this chin. I'm again telling you, this looks like a face. This is forehead, this is nose, this is chin, and this looks like a bubble coming out. So near the chin is Gulf of Mannar and near the nose is Park Strait. In Gujarat also we have two gulfs. Upper one is Gulf of Kutch and lower one is Gulf of Khambar. So if to make an arrow here with the Gulf of Kutch and Gulf of Khambar, you just make an arrow and show that this crack is where water seems to be penetrating inside is Gulf of Kutch, and this crack is Gulf of Khambar. Andaman Sea is not in syllabus now. Standard meridian 82 degree 30 minutes east. If you see your maps, you can find standard meridian's location. This is slightly wrong because standard meridian passes through Allahabad. Allahabad is a place where river Ganga and Yamuna meet. So at this point, this should be your landmark to mark standard meridian. So make a point here where river Yamuna and Ganga are meeting. Just make a dot here and stretch a line from here to the upper part and also to the south, just little towards this side of Sri Lanka. Don't cross Sri Lanka, but just touch Sri Lanka and make a line. That is standard meridian 82 degree 30 minutes east. Tropic of Cancer. When you're marking Tropic of Cancer, try to make it little curved, touching Gujarat, little part of Madhya Pradesh, little Rajasthan, and then taking it to Chhattisgarh. It is very important that it should touch Tripura and Mizoram. Okay, so what is more important you have to remember while marking Tropic of Cancer is Tropic of Cancer starts from this part of Gujarat, take it to little to the bend to the south of river Chambal, Betwa, river Son, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Tripura, Mizoram, and touch it at the end. Don't make it hanging in between. It's very important to touch both the lines at the ends, otherwise you will not get marks. So these two lines are also in the syllabus. For today, please practice this much math work.